Yeah, hi children. In last class, what we learnt? Magnets of different shapes, separate iron fillings from soil, poles of bar magnet. Today we will discuss finding direction with a bar magnet. Suspended the bar magnet freely with the help of a thread tied around its center as shown in the figure like this. Does the magnet remain stationary? When wait for some time, what do you find? Children, first of all, take a bar magnet freely suspended with the help of a thread. Center of the bar. After the bar magnet comes to rest position, we will notice that the magnet finally take a position in the north-south direction. Mark the points towards the north with the some color. Children, after sometimes the bar magnet come to the rest position. That is the position of north-south to the geographical north-south position. Rest పొజిషన్కి రాగానే ఏమవుతుంది బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ షో ద నార్త్ అండ్ సౌత్ డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద జియోగ్రఫికల్ నార్త్ సౌత్ పొజిషన్ జస్ట్ యూ మార్క్ దట్ నార్త్ పొజిషన్ magnets try to number of times repeat the experiment another places also. What did you observe? After sometimes that comes to the rest position and bar magnets show the north south direction of the geographical. Magnets always comes to the rest in the north south direction. In each case the marked end points towards the north. This end is known as the north pole of the magnet. The other end which points towards the south is known as the south pole of the magnet. This property of magnet is called directional property. It is exhibited only by magnets. Children, take a bar magnet, tie with the help of thread to the retort stand. See children here. North south. After rest that always come to the geographical north south direction. Did you understand children this one? This is the north pole of the bar magnet. This is the south pole of the bar magnet. This property of magnet is called directional property. So using this property to make a magnetic compass. Now we will discuss the magnetic compass. Magnetic compass is a small box with glass covering it. This is a small box covered with the glass covering. A magnetized needle is provided inside the box in which a way that is can rotate it freely. The compass also has a dial with directions marked on it. The compass is kept at the place where we wish to know the direction. Its needle indicates the north-south direction. When it comes to rest, the compass in the rotated until the north and south marked on the dial are exactly below the two ends of the needle to identify the south pole of the magnet. Needle it is usually pointed in a different colors. Then we identify north and south at the place. After that, we can also identify the east and west between them. See children, this is a magnetic compass. This is a small box covered with the glass. This is the indicator. This always show the directions of north and south. Understood children? So you know the north direction. This indicator always show the north. Opposite to north, south. And for example, your face to north, east is your right hand side and west is your left hand side. Easily you identify the directions. So magnetic compass is used for identify the directions. Find the directions. In new place, how do you find the directions using a magnetic compass? Yeah. A magnetic compass is used to find direction. It is mostly used in ships and aeroplanes. Mountaineers and army people also carry a compass with them so that they do not lose their way in a unknown place. Unknown place లో మనకి డైరెక్షన్స్ తెలియదు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇన్ ఏరోప్లేనర్స్ ఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఆల్సో కంపాస్ ఫైండ్ ద డైరెక్షన్. Children, you understood? And one more also, I asking you question, you find out, try to find this answer. See children, here don't place compass and magnetic together. There any reason? Try to find that answer children. Yeah, next let us start activity 6. Attraction and repulsion between the two magnets. Take it two similar bar magnets, place them in 4 different ways as shown in the figure. For example, first case, north and north are same face to face. Next, south to south face to face. Next, third case, south north face to face, north south face to face. Yes, see children, here you observe anything like poles, north north like pole, like south and south also like poles. These all are repulsion. Repulsion means they are not attraction, move to forward. అవి కొంచెం దూరంగా వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. లైక్ పోల్స్ ఆర్ రిపల్ అండ్ అన్లైక్ పోల్స్ నార్త్ అండ్ సౌత్ ఆర్ అట్రాక్ట్. యా, యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ చిల్డ్రన్ దిస్ వన్? లైక్ పోల్స్ ఆర్ రిపెల్ అండ్ అన్లైక్ పోల్స్ ఆర్ అట్రాక్ట్. Yeah, you notice that like poles north north south south repel each other and unlike poles north south attract each other. Did you understand children? Yeah, next one. Let us start next topic, Earth as a magnet. So how do you find Earth as a magnet? Here we see one activity 7. Place a bar magnet on a table in any direction. Suspended another bar magnet over it as shown in the figure. First one bar magnet you try and another one placed to near the suspended bar magnet. One on the table. Observe in which direction the suspended bar magnets come to rest. Which bar magnet you are suspended after rest, that comes to which direction you observe here. Next, again change the direction of the placed bar magnet. Suspend చేసినది కాకుండా another bar magnet. For example, first one you keep a south north. Again you change the south place లో north and north place లో south. You change the directions. Did you observe anything here? The suspended bar magnet always comes to the rest in the direction of the bar magnet placed on the table. But the north pole of the suspended bar magnet points towards the south pole of the bar magnet placed on the table. And south pole of the bar magnet points toward the north pole of the bar magnet. In this case, the suspended bar magnet comes to the rest in the north-south direction. We can say that there is some bar magnet below the suspended bar magnet which comes to it come into rest in that particular direction. Children, దీన్ని బట్టి మనం ఏమనుకుంటే one more invisible magnet there. Why that always comes to the rest in the direction of the bar magnet? ఏదైతే మనం ప్లేస్ చేసామో ఆ దానికి ఈక్వల్గా దట్ సస్పెండెడ్ బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ నార్త్ పోల్ ఆఫ్ ద సస్పెండెడ్ బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్స్ పాయింట్స్ టువర్డ్ ద సౌత్ పోల్ ఆఫ్ ద బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్. ఇలా ఆపోజిట్లో వస్తున్నాయి. మనం అయితే ఏదైతే సస్పెండ్ చేసినటువంటి నార్త్ పోల్ ఏమవుతుంది, సౌత్ పోల్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్లేస్డ్కి వస్తుంది అనమాట. అండర్స్టాండ్? ఇక్కడ చిల్డ్రన్ జస్ట్ డోంట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్. సస్పెండ్ చేసినటువంటి బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ సౌత్ పోలు, ప్లేస్డ్ సౌత్ పోల్ ఆఫ్ నార్త్ పోల్ ఆఫ్ ద బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ ఆపోజిట్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో వై మీన్స్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద కాస్ ఆఫ్ Earth as a magnet, invisible magnet. The earth behaves like a magnet. Children, the earth behave like a magnet because the earth is a magnet. It is not a permanent magnet but an electromagnet. Deep in the earth, molten metals, see children here, molten metals flows due to the heat which causes convection. The heat appears to be generated by iron, so that's why earth as a magnet. Who said earth as a magnet? A modern experimental approach to understanding the earth's field began with the magnet. The Magnet, a book published by William Gilbert in 1600 year. His experiments with a magnetic model of the earth convinced him that the earth itself is a large magnet. Children, did you understood? Today what you will learn? Yeah, poles of bar magnet and attraction and repulsion of magnets. Same poles or like poles are repel and unlike poles are attraction. And earth has a big magnet. Why means deep in the surface molten metal flows due to the heat. So that's why earth have a big magnet or large magnet. Okay children, you understood? Read lesson thoroughly. Thank you.